You can make perfect loops every time. Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm making this fast and easy bracelet using the one-step beadsmith looping pliers. So without further ado, let's get wired. For the bracelet, I'm using the beadsmith one-step loopers. I will place the 20 gauge artistic wire just inside the looper, pushing the wire against the metal, holding it, and close the handle. You need to give it a little bit of a jog so the loop will be centered. Remove it and you'll see it's a perfect centered loop. We'll put a bead on there, place it right against the loop, and then feed the wire through the tool. There's a little hole that you push it through and then place it right to the side of the bead. Twist the loop so it's horizontal, and then when you close the handle, the other loop will be perpendicular. This way all of your loop configurations will be the same on your bracelet. And we will continue along, making as many links as we need to create a bracelet. These are also great for sun catchers. I'll show you at the end. Push the bead right in there so there's no slack. Close the handle and you'll have your perfect centered loop. This is so fun and easy to use. You don't even need the cutters. I had one larger irregular bead where there was a little too much slack, so I decided to tighten it up a little bit. And all you have to do in that instance is just clip it a little bit. I took a bit of wire off and got my precision round nose pliers and recreated the loop so it's centered and it fits in the hole there. No slack. And then I continued with the bracelet, assembling it together, connecting the loops until we had enough to go around the wrist. And I'll show you two ways to make this, one with and one without a clasp. Continue adding your beads, just opening up the loop by bending it to the side, hooking it on the previous bead, close it up, and make sure there's no little pokey ends. Once you have enough beads, we're just going to attach the first one to the last one. This will be a slip-on bracelet, but I will show you how to make a clasp after this. The fun thing about this is there's a lot of leeway, so you can just roll the bracelet onto your wrist and it makes a dangly bracelet. If you want to make a clasp, make your first loop with the looper pliers to make your centered loop. I bent it a little beyond so there was more of an angle in it, and I'm really just going to make this super simple, taking my bail making pliers from Beadalon to make a closed loop. Clip the end. You can actually hammer this clasp if you want to make it more hard, or press it with your pliers. That'll help to work harden it too. So we have a delicate little clasp. We're going to open up that little loop and attach it to the bracelet. Very simple. I have lots of tutorials for other clasps. I'll link up some tutorials for safety clasps in the description below the video. Now for the hook, we'll do the same. We'll make our little loop with the looper pliers. I just love these pliers. They're so much fun, and they come in different sizes. And now we'll do a little simple hook with the bail making pliers. Bring the wire around. Try to make it as small as possible. Take your precision round nose pliers to make a tiny loop. Give it an extra tug to make it even smaller. Clip the end flush with your flush cutters or nipper tool. Press it flat so there's no pokey ends, and you can adjust the curve of the hook if you need. From there, we're going to open it up, add it to our bracelet, and close up that little loop. You can press the hook with your nylon jaw pliers to stiffen it up a little bit, or you can hammer it. Attach the clasp, and there's your beautiful dangly bracelet made with different sizes and shapes of glass beads. I used the looper tool to create these beautiful sun catchers. Comment below if you'd like to see a tutorial. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out my Etsy DIY shop where I have all kinds of ebooks and templates for wire art and jewelry. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% on any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. You can also join me live on Wire Lady TV every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas and designs for wire art and wire jewelry. Happy wiring, everyone, and we'll see you the next time.